Welcome to our video on the scheduler service for x2x RMH Business Central Integration. We'll explore how this powerful tool automates data synchronization between RMH, Retail Management Hero, and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, keeping your retail operations seamless and efficient. The scheduler service is the backbone of the x2x RMH Business Central Integration. It ensures real-time and scheduled data transfer, reducing manual effort and minimizing errors. Let's dive into its key features and functionalities. Upload sales. Automatically upload sales data from RMH to Business Central. Download vendors. Regularly synchronizes vendor information between RMH and BC. Download inventory in/out. Tracks and updates inventory movements in/out in RMH based on data from BC. Upload purchase receipts. Automates the uploading of purchase receipts from RMH to BC. Upload inventory from RMH to BC. Synchronizes inventory data from RMH to BC. With scheduling options, you can choose how often data syncs, whether in real time, at fixed intervals, or overnight for batch processing. This flexibility allows businesses to optimize performance without overwhelming system resources. The scheduler services can be started or stopped using the Start/Stop option from within the application. Through the service window on a Windows PC or server, this service can be stopped or started. So, what does this mean for your business? The scheduler service provides improved efficiency with automated data flow, reduced manual work and human errors, real-time insights for better decision-making, a seamless customer experience with up-to-date information. In today's fast-paced retail world, automation is key. The x2x RMH Business Central Scheduler service streamlines your operations, allowing you to focus on growth and customer satisfaction. Want to learn more? Contact us today for a demo and see how the scheduler service in x2x RMH Business Central Integration can transform your business.